How do you pick the right country to invest in? Investing in 60 seconds. Let's go. Let me show you an interesting chart right here. Okay, so let's say you think to yourself, I want to go into the emerging markets. When you look at the history, pretty difficult to find a pattern. Certainly with developed markets as well, rather difficult to find any kind of pattern of which country is going to win and which one isn't. So you might say, well, in that case, we'll just have a basket of stocks from each of the countries. That's a reasonable conclusion, or you might conclude there are some which just consistently do better than others and don't cost you on the downside. I personally pick from 10,000 equities which are chosen from the best companies in the entire world rather than trying to get the right country. And these are listed in either the United States, even if they're foreign companies, or on the London Stock Exchange, even if they're European companies. If you'd like more insights and tips, follow and like. Thank you.